Hey guys, the viral Dubai chocolate trend is causing a global pistachio shortage. We'll talk more about that at the end of this video. This year in 2025, Costco has hopped on the Dubai chocolate bandwagon. They have introduced a wide range of Dubai-inspired treats and they are flying off the shelves. Let me show you just some of the Dubai chocolate products that were released at Costco so far this year. Earlier this year in February, Costco had offered a box of Dubai chocolates by Bouchard for $17.99. The same box sells for $35.99 on the company's website. Then in March, Costco had offered the green bag of Chocovia milk chocolate for $11.59. But if you live in Canada, then you will see the purple bag of Chocovia milk chocolates for $17.99. In April, Costco had introduced the AftersIceCream Dubai chocolate bars for $17.99. AftersIceCream is a Southern California brand that created this treat exclusively for Costco, and I hear that it is a must-try treat of the summer. In May, Costco then offered a bag of Dubai-style chocolates by Rolling Pin for $14.99. Although some members have reported that this bag of Dubai chocolate costed $1 or $2 more at their local Costco. Also in May, Costco had some Dubai chocolates that you could order online at Costco.com. They were the Fiorella Dubai chocolate bars for $44.99. There was also the Fiorella Dubai chocolate gift box for $59.99. Then in June, Costco had stocked their shelves with some Dubai-style chocolate strawberry pistachio truffle bites by Edward Mark. They were priced at $16.99. In July, some Costco members had spotted these bags of Dubai chocolate bars by Nutty Fruity for $16.99. I have seen lots of mixed reviews for this brand, but these Dubai chocolates are so popular that I can't even get my hands on one to try them. Also in July, the Bakery Street Dubai-style chocolate mini cakes have started to appear at some Costcos for $12.89 per pack. But if you're a fan of Dubai chocolate, don't get too excited about this product as the reviews hasn't been all that great for what I have seen so far. And just a few days ago, Costco has added the mini Dubai chocolate-style ice cream sandwiches to their freezers. They are $16.99 and reviews are looking good so far for this product. So I'd run to Costco for this one, guys. And lastly, if you live in the UK, you can order a box of the Dubai chocolates by L'Amour du Chocolat on Costco's UK website. And according to the New York Post, they are reporting that the Dubai chocolate trend is causing a global pistachio shortage. Imagine that. That is crazy, y'all. The increased demand for the Dubai chocolate treats has created a global pistachio shortage, and as a result of the shortage, pistachio prices have gone up. A pound of pistachios has gone from around $7 to over $10 a pound. It's just not Costco getting in on the Dubai chocolate trend, but some companies and restaurant chains as well. Many have added Dubai chocolate-inspired items to their menus. For example, Shake Shack has added a Dubai chocolate pistachio shake. It launched nationwide but only for a limited time in limited quantities, selling for $9.49. Nick the Greek has added the pistachio cream Dubai chocolate froyo to their dessert menu. Paris Baguette has added 3 new Dubai chocolate-like items for its summer menu: the Dubai chocolate mochi donut, Dubai chocolate tart, and Dubai chocolate matcha latte. 2025 is going to be Dubai chocolate everything. Share this video with your bestie, family and friends if you think that they'd like to try the viral Dubai chocolates. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.